restriction is what? Going through where? Internal to external, right? And if we have an external femur acetabulum, that means the restriction is going to be what? External to internal. So that's all we're going to do. We're going to increase that rotation. So our adjustment is a rotational thrust, high velocity, very low amplitude thrust, almost like just like a pec thrust, just like this. Okay. Okay. So we'll examine our patient. We'll bring the leg up like this. And as I'm palpating down through here like this, I'm feeling through the joint, paying attention to what's taking place at the acetabulum, and then moving it like this, and I can see the foot to see as it's moving along an arc here, how far it's actually moving compared to the other one. So we're going to say that this hip right here is internal. That means it's not going to move external, so I wanted to see how far does this one move external? Wow, that moves really well externally. Okay, that would be normal for a lady to be very flexible. We're going to take this one up here, we're going to move it externally. I'm going to be feeling down through here, and I'm going to say, okay, up, it doesn't want to move as far. So now I have to increase the external rotation, right? So I can come just like this, remember here, and I can correct it this way, right? Or you can have the patient, will just slide down the bottom of the table foot, just all the way down to the edge of the foot, so sort of, there you go, and lay back if you would, thanks so much. So we're going to bring the patient's leg up like this, rest it on your medial shoulder. You're going to move medially on the patient. Take your fingertips on the anterior part of the greater trochanter. Take out your slack and thrust it this way. Has everybody got that? Make sure your elbow is medial at the contact point when you're thrusting. Okay, we'll just slide back up for a minute. Make sure that when you come, you have your headrest, cloth, etc. Now, we'll say that it's external, so that means we have to increase what? Internal. So I'm going to come up, I'm going to examine the patient, and so I believe it's external. I'm going to look like this because I'm moving it internal. And saying, wow, she has very good movement on internal rotation. I can see the way the foot's moving. I can feel this through the rest of the joints, how it's moving. I'm going to come this way. You're going to see, okay, let's see how this one's moving. Oh, not as well. If you want to, you can palpate the joint while you're moving it, that's fine. Now I just got to increase what? Internal rotation. I don't really have to move the patient if it's external. I just usually show that so you can, they're both down there and it's easy for you to think about. But you can just do this one right here, bring this up here like this, make your contact. I'm on the inferior portion with the heel of my hand. Does everybody see where I am here? Take out my slack and thrust. Okay? Everybody see exactly how that went? Any questions? So that's your whole physical, or the only things we're going to be doing for the setup and adjustment portion of the test. There would be 5 points on